everyone, it's Abe again, and today I am doing a bit of a food challenge. Not that it's one that's online, and Lincoln's all excited to see what I'm doing. Say hi, Lincoln. Hi. Yeah. Anyway, I gotta finish off some ingredients in our house, and it's just me eating it, so I can do whatever I want. Those ingredients are tomatoes, lettuce, salad, some mini peppers, and orange juice. Now, how in the heck am I going to do that? Well, I'm going to add a few more ingredients. Watch and stay tuned. Alright, the food is done, and this little girl's having her bottle. I don't know if you guys have met Kaylee before. She is the cutest little, happiest little girl. Hi Kaylee, you having fun today? Did you enjoy watching Daddy make dinner? Yeah? You gonna help Daddy someday? Yeah. Maybe you will. I don't know, we'll have lots of fun together either way. But anyway, it's time to eat. Alright, Link. Oh, well, Link's enjoying his chicken fries. I'm going to enjoy this tilapia with Asian orange sauce, tomatoes, and peppers salad. I'm actually going to chop this up and mix it all up. See if this is a worthy way of using up all these ingredients. Let's go ahead and give this a try. That's not bad. The orange sauce is very orangey. Tomatoes especially cause a bit of a juicy flavor explosion. So, that's what we got for today. Kind of an ad-libbed dinner based on things I had to get rid of, and a recipe for orange sauce that I found online. So hope you all enjoyed that, and we'll see you again soon. We got a lot more videos in the works, and oh baby girl. Oh, the kids are being kids. Anyway, we'll see you next time, and hope you have a wonderful time until then. And until then, we will leave you with fascinating baby. Fascinated baby. Isn't she cute, folks? Yeah. Love you, Kaylee. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Actually, after a few bites, there was one thing I realized it needed a little more of, and that's crunchy texture. So I've got some pecans I'm going to put on it. Ooh. There, now that's about perfect. It's still only 500 calories.